Good day everyone, welcome to Harmony Kitchen app. And from the title you can tell that it's an app that deals with food, so I will be helping you go through the app. Once you're done downloading the app, you will get started and you will choose the country of your origin. The next page is selecting your preferences. You can select all or you choose what you prefer. The page after that is dietary preferences. You will choose the type of diet that you will want from the app. Then you press continue. Then you have to create your profile. There you will enter your full name, phone number, gender, and also your date of birth. And once you're done with inserting your details, you will press continue. That will take you to a page where you have to create an account for the app. You will insert your username, your email, password for this specific app, and also confirm your password. When you're done creating an account, you will press the sign up button, and just like that, your account has been successfully created. Now this is the home page for Harmony Kitchen. We have featured snack attack time. We have category like American food, Chinese food, general, also South African food. We also have recommended recipes. This is where you choose food according to your appetite and what you like as well. Then now we are gonna go to the discover page. On discover page, this is where you get to know more of recipes online. Then the next page will be the scan page. Now the app allows you to scan your ingredients in the kitchen or type out your ingredients. The next page is items. Now this page works like a card or notes. You get to add any shopping items that you would like, and you can also add as many items as you want. Once you're done with adding your items, you can also cancel your items. Maybe you are at a grocery store and you got your items, you can click on it and then the app will automatically cancel the ingredients that you got. Now the next page that we have on the app is profile. This is where you get to see everything about your account, personal information, appearance, unit system. You can choose whether you want your app light themed or dark themed. Now that we are done with exploring the app, let's see how it actually works. On far right, there's a plus button. You're gonna click there, and this is where we add our recipes. The first thing you will add is the recipe name. You also add the category. Then you name the meal type. If it's a dessert, lunch, breakfast, you choose. And since you added a new recipe, you have to name all the ingredients that were used in that recipe. There we go. And now that we're done with adding a recipe, we're gonna go to methods or steps. On methods or steps, this is where you take us through every step of that recipe from scratch, step by step. And just like that, you are done. The next thing that you will do on this page is to also include the time it takes to finish that recipe. And just like that, you created a new recipe. When you're done, you will say save recipe. Then the app will save the recipe that you just added, and it will take you to a different page. This is where it shows all the recipes that you created. Now this recipe is the one that we just created now. Now let's say you want to add a picture to your recipe. You will go back to the adding page and click on the camera icon. That will open your camera and you will take a picture of your recipe. This helps with attracting viewers from your food or your recipe. And the app also allows you to publish your recipe. By publishing, it means now you're allowing other users to view or use your recipe. And on this page, this is where you see all your favorite recipes. And just like that, we are done with Harmony Kitchen app. Now the next part of this video is the Firebase of Harmony Kitchen. Now here we're gonna view the data connection between the app and the database. Now this page is showing all the profiles, all the people that have used the app before. And on this database, it's the information or recipes on the app. And the recipes at the top, they were added by a user. And the below ones, they are from the API. And that's all about Firebase. This picture right here is the graph showing the API. Thank you.